Go for tenors. Ay, shooting ka. Patay tayo dyan.
Sa akin lang, gusto ko lang to, honest feedback. I love the intro and I love yung pasabog nyo. I just felt, for me lang again, I love the rest. Na-miss ko yung what they normally offer and I felt this was not their greatest strength compared to what.
Thank you, Coach Chito. Hindi ka natakot magsalita. Oh my gosh. To be honestly speaking, eto na yon. Good job, Coach Chito. Hindi ka natakot magsalita to say that kasi totoo din naman nang nakakapanghinayang yung ano na to, tong part na to ng four tenors na to as in sayang. Oo, yon, go. Last performer na tayo para sa The Voice Next Generation ni Coach Stel. Ito ang four tenors. Oh my gosh, bigla akong kinabahan, bigla akong nanginig dito kasi isa rin ito sa strongest group dito sa Voice Generation. So tignan natin kung paano sila lalaban dito. So anyway, highlights me, The Aries Diary. Siyempre, subscribe and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo magandang reaction video and comment down there kung ano rin masasabi ninyo. So eto na, huwag natin patagaling pa. Let's do it. Let's go, Psycho. Go for tenors. Ay, shooting ka. Patay tayo dyan.
An angel smile is what you sell. You promised me heaven, then put me through hell.
Pasabog din.
Hold on me when passion's a prison you can't break free. Oh, you're a golden dawn. Oh, there's nowhere to run. No one can save me. The damage is done. Shut to your heart and you're tonight. You give love back and
Okay, ang four tenors na to, last time na kumanta sila is super pasabog. And this time, on their performance dito is, hindi ko alam kung nagpakampante sila. Kasi itong song nila is, parang hindi ganun ka-special. Oh my gosh! But the performance is very good. Hindi lang katulad nung last nila, no, kumanta sila ng OPM. As in talagang magugusbang ka. Dito, magaling na sila. Proven and tested na yon. They can perform, they can sing, but parang dito parang may kulang sa kanila. Oh my gosh, tignan lang natin sa voting mamaya. Ay sa choice ni Stel.
Rock and roll! Coaches, ramdam niyo ba yung higil nila?
Grabe, akala ko grand finals na eh. Vocally, alam naman nating lahat na talagang nag-excel kayo sa harmonies and all that. Pero ginulat nyo kami tonight. Pinakita nyo yung kakaibang side ninyo. Mga bad boys kayo tonight. So far, ito yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa lahat ng performances ninyo. Kaya congratulations.
Coach Billy, ako naman, for tenors, binibigyan nyo kami ng leksyon about music. And ang maganda dito is because of your style, is kahit anong genre, kaya nyong pasukan. So, doon ako nabubulabog na hindi lang porque they're classical singers, stick lang doon sila sa classic na type of songs. Pero ito, you guys took a risk. We enjoyed and we had fun with your performance. Good job. Oh, Sino?
Okay, alam niyo naman, lagi ko yung niloloko na masama loob ko na hindi niyo ako pinili. Pero, isa kayo sa pinapaborito ko for this competition. Sa akin lang, gusto ko lang to, honest feedback. I love the intro and I love yung pasabog nyo. I just felt, for me lang again, I love the risk. Na-miss ko yung what they normally offer and I felt this was not their greatest strength compared to what.
Thank you, Coach Chito. Hindi ka natakot magsalita. Oh my gosh. To be honestly speaking, eto na yon. Good job, Coach Chito. Hindi ka natakot magsalita to say that kasi totoo din naman nang nakakapanghinayang yung tong part na to ng four tenors na to as in sayang. Oo, yun, go.
I loved about them. But still, kumbaga kung meron kayong concert, isa lang to sa mga panggitnang songs.
Yes.
But I would put it as a finale.
Coach Del.
I understand Coach Chito kasi kahit ako rin, mas na-appreciate ko talaga kung sino si four tenors. But gusto ko na sa isang group, especially in competition, gusto ko yung lagi may pinapakitang bago para hindi magsawa ang audience sa kanila. Basta always remember, four tenors, kayo na yan. Kayo na yan. Wala nang makakakuha sa inyo yan.
Sobrang galing pa rin.
Yeah, sobrang galing nyo. At kung magkakaroon man ng pagkakataon, gusto ko kayong makasama sa isang performance. Kaya naman, congratulations and I'm very happy and I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Ayun, nakakapanghinayang lang talaga yung part na yun kasi nga, hindi yun yung pang finale, di ba? And this is the, masasabi natin, second to the last finale na ng performance. So, yun lang. Doon tayo na medyo nahanging sa four tenors. So, and compare din dun sa compare din dun sa vocal mix. Oh my gosh, to the level, high level, yung kanilang development and yung panggugulat. Super. So, ayan, abangan naman natin yung mangyayari na ang tawag dito, ito na, yung malalaman natin kung sino makakapasok sa final round, sa grand finals na ng The Voice and Next Generation. So, abangan natin yan.